Today we will be testing the Olympus Mons indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Olympus Mons indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 783 indicators, with 318 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now, you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 20 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the Olympus Mons indicator, and you can see it here on screen. I also should apologize, I'm feeling a little under the weather, so my voice is rather raspy at the moment. Yeah, forgive me for that. Anyways, you can see the indicator here on screen, and you can see that this indicator is giving buy and sell tags, or buy and sell labels here. And so obviously, as you can probably guess, what we're looking for are these tags, these labels here. And so when we pick up a buy tag, we are going to go long. When we pick up a sell tag, we are going to go short. So pretty simple. That's how we're going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a buy signal. You can see that we pick up that buy tag here, that long signal. We get a really nice push to the upside on the very next bar. That is enough to come up and get us to our take profit. Looks like we then pick up another buy or long there on the very next candle as that one closes. So we've already taken profit, closed out the first trade, and then we pick up another one right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of it. All right, so we do get a pullback on this one here, and it is enough to come down and stop us out. Then we do pick up another buy signal right there. Looks like this one's also going to get stopped out on this really long wick to the downside here. Yep, that is the case. And then we pick up one more buy right here. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. All right, so that one drops out really quickly right there and stops us out as well. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short signal right here on this one. We get a little bit of a push to the downside. It's not quite enough to get us to our take profit though before it starts to curl and then make its way back up, and that does come up and stop us out. The second sell signal here we would not have taken because we would have already been in this trade right here. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, another buy signal right here, and we pretty much get an immediate pullback, and that does come down and stop us out as well. And looks like we pick up a buy signal right there on that one. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. All right, that one pushes up just enough to get us to our take profit just by a couple pips before it then rolls over and starts to kind of push down and chop around a little bit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It's free to join. Anybody is welcome to join, take part in any of the conversations in the free channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel here set up for just patrons alone, where we post some advanced information for all of our patrons to be able to take advantage of. Our admin Jay is putting up charts like this on a regular basis. This is a futures market. Our admin Jay is doing a great job of trading the futures market. He'll put up charts like this where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest where he is looking to take a trade, and often will give kind of a write-up on what it is that he was looking at when kind of analyzing the chart. And we also have another member, Sasquatch. He is a Forex prop trader doing an awesome job trading the Forex market. And he is also putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he is marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and sometimes even where he is kind of looking to take a trade. And so he'll have it marked out where he has his entry, his stop, his take profit. And then again, often a write-up on kind of what it is that he's looking at, or where he's looking to take a trade. Our admin Jay is also doing a great job of putting up things like this, where he has found different videos, beneficial videos teaching how to trade or different aspects of trading, and the videos that he finds where people are putting up strategies that they have tested, systems that they are using. And so there's just a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, being able to hang out and take advantage of some of this information. So I highly recommend that you join us here. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's get everything in focus and we will count it out. Excuse me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we have 21 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. This indicator was interesting. So it seemed like more often than not, it was giving us signals kind of right at the top or bottom of a trend change. And so we would get a signal, and then almost immediately price would move in the opposite direction. But there were moments where it was working more like a continuation indicator than it was a reversal indicator. And in that particular case, it seemed to work rather well sometimes, where it would pick up these trend kind of zones and then keep kind of riding them down, allowing you to take a trade and then another trade and then another trade, kind of exploiting the most of that trend kind of move. And so, but unfortunately, it does not meet the 60% criteria. I think it's just a little too jerky, too responsive. So it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.